Hey guys, it's me Sahil Khatib back again with another video. So today we'll be talking about how I made my online business with $0 or 0 rupees in my bank account. So firstly, as I started with my part-time job, which I didn't particularly hate, but it allowed me to basically survive on that money, which was very little, but it was keeping me away from being broke. So that's what I did from the start, which was doing a part-time job to basically survive on that money. So doing a part-time job allowed me to buy myself time throughout the day, like 8 to 10 hours, to study finances and to follow routines and follow many more things like financial Twitter gurus and etc. to learn from them. Basically knew I had more potential in this. Even joined Andrew Tate's Real World, which was called Hustlers University back in the days, which was 1 year ago, and made some sales of that course on my YouTube channel and on Instagram. I had an Instagram page of that reel posting. When I made the sales and money actually started to come in, making affiliate sales of that course was the nail in the coffin to the intuition I had that making money online is possible. So there were options like SMMA, dropshipping, graphic designing, etc., which I was familiar with and was interested in doing and would not have any problem solving the problem too. So I started my journey through graphic designing, which made me sneak my feet into the world of content creation with big money and big ballers, which made me connect to the people who make money online and who trade money online throughout the world. And that was the point I realized making money is easy. Just provide the value you have and get the money. Started my journey like this. Then I got signed with the agency to provide my value as a graphic designer, which was for $600 a month. Far more than what I was making with my part-time job. But I still didn't quit my job. I still didn't have that cemented trust on the online business stuff. The online journey started with 0 rupees in my bank account. I started from zero and made up to $600 per month. Wait, it gets crazier. So the second one was, I thought, why not just directly get the big clients for myself? Why work for a agency who cuts off my share? So I basically started finding clients with big money to work for them. So then I found some clients who gave me like 1.5k to 2k per month to be the graphic designer. So this was the initial stage of me stepping my foot into the world of content creation, and then I studied about SMMA and how it works. So I started pitching out for that, and then finally I closed one deal of managing one's account for $6,000 per month, which was like really crazy. So yeah, this was the journey I was gonna talk about and let you know that you can also do it, and it's easy. uh, it's not easy actually. You have to commit to it and like put the reps in without seeing results at the first, which I also did. But I had the trust. You also had to have trust on yourself and your skills. So this was it basically, my journey from $0 to 6 to 7 to 10k a month. This is just the start. Let's kill it. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like the video for algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, stay safe. Peace.